Hello, my friends. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Lighting is a really simple topic where you can make an immediate saving with very little hard work. Lighting is an essential part of our lives, and approximately 20% of all electricity in UK commercial and industrial buildings is used in lighting. However, almost 3 in 4 buildings have outdated lighting installations. Using efficient lighting products could save you up to 75% of the electricity consumed for lighting in the UK each year. So that means you could save 15% off your total electric bill if you switch over to LED lighting. The starting point is if you still have any old-style filament light bulbs. Replace them with energy-efficient bulbs. But try not to use the compact fluorescent energy bulbs or CFLs. And you'll recognize these because they are small loops of tube, just like a fluorescent light. Many of these take a few minutes to warm up before they give you the full brightness. Most people just get annoyed with the dullness, whereas LED lights provide instant light for approximately 20% of the running costs of an old-style bulb and have a much longer lifespan for those bulbs. They also use approximately half of the energy of compact fluorescent lights. Also, if you have a fluorescent tube fitting or emergency exit signage, then in most cases you will need to have an electrician replace the complete fitting, as the tubes are not a direct replacement. Replacing these fittings will reduce your running costs by approximately 33%. A lot of us are making the change, but are only part-way through the changeover. My advice is just get on and finish the job. I'm John Mullen, the Energy Evangelist. Come and find out how to save more energy and more cash at energyevangelist.co.uk. Bye.